Good day, everyone! In this orientation video, we, the researchers from Grade 12 STEM 8 under Group 3, are going to give you an overview of what our study is all about, as well as the consent form. We will also instruct you on how to answer our survey questionnaire. To start off, our study is entitled Levels of Motivation in Pursuing Medical Career Among Grade 12 Students Amidst COVID-19. In December 2019 in Hubei province, China, Wuhan originated an epidemic known as the COVID-19 or the coronavirus disease. The occurrence of the pandemic is a fatal global health problem in the present time, becoming a highly significant challenge for the healthcare system. Furthermore, the world faces a new reality, including changes in our education, health, politics, business, and economy, and one of the most devastating effects of COVID-19 has been on the educational sector. Due to this, the high virus transmissibility makes face-to-face lectures impossible to maintain, compromising the medical education curriculum. With that being said, with the intent of contributing to the body of knowledge and sufficing the scarcity of local studies, we researchers will conduct a correlational research focusing on determining and understanding the levels of knowledge, attitude, practice, or KAP concerning COVID-19 and the levels of motivation in pursuing a medical career among grade 12 students in San Pedro College, Davao City. Proceeding to the statement of the problem, we, the researchers, aim to answer the following questions. Number one, what is the motivation level of the grade 12 students in San Pedro College in pursuing a medical career? Second, what is the knowledge level of the aspiring grade 12 medical students in San Pedro College concerning COVID-19? Third, what is the attitude level of the aspiring grade 12 medical students in San Pedro College concerning COVID-19? Fourth, what is the practice level of the aspiring grade 12 medical students in San Pedro College concerning COVID-19? And lastly, is there a relationship between KAP and the motivation levels?
Good day, everyone. I am Lawrence of B. Magada. For the informed consent form, this contains everything that respondents need to know before participating in our study. Moreover, our consent form is composed of two parts, which are the information sheet and the certification of consent. In the information sheet, we will give the respondents an overview of our research study for them to understand the purpose, procedures, selection of participants, and the eligibility, whereas the certification of consent will serve as a certification that the respondents have fully understood the terms and conditions and gave their consent for data gathering and research purposes. Now let's move on to the anonymity, confidentiality, and comfortability. As learners who value ethical use of resources and right conduct, we respect the anonymity, confidentiality, and comfortability of the respondents participating in our study. With respect to anonymity, the researchers shall not disclose any relative or personal information given by the respondents. Moreover, all information gathered for this research study will be kept strictly and private, and only the research proponents and research mentor will have access to the data collected. Lastly, the comfortability of the respondents matter as this study may cause the respondents to share personal or sensitive information that might or might not make them feel uncomfortable. The respondents are free to withdraw from the study at any time they feel uncomfortable answering the survey questionnaire.
So let's move on to the risk and benefits of this study. The risk of this study may cause the respondents to share some personal information by chance, or that they may feel uncomfortable talking about some of the topics involved. However, we, the researchers, do not wish for that to happen. The respondents are free to withdraw from the study at any time if they feel uncomfortable answering the survey questionnaire. In spite of all the risks mentioned, there will be no direct benefit given to you like cash. However, your participation is likely to help us attain the goals of our research study. With the data we, the researchers, will collect from you, we will be able to have the findings that will contribute to the existing body of knowledge and suffice the scarcity of local studies in this topic area.
After you confirm your participation in our study, you can now proceed with answering the survey questionnaire. Our study's questionnaire is divided into two phases. The first phase covers the aspect of motivation, which consists of 10 statements. These will assess your motivation level in pursuing a medical career. Utilizing the 5-point Likert scale, this will measure your level of disagreement or agreement in the statements given. On the other hand, the second phase covers the statements concerning CAP. This portion of the questionnaire is subdivided into 4 categories, which are Knowledge A, Knowledge B, Attitude, and Practice, containing 14, 8, 15, and 12 statements respectively. The possible responses from this part are yes, uncertain, and no. In answering the survey questionnaire, kindly click the radio button according to your honest answer to the given statements. To end this video, we would like to express our sincere gratitude for giving your time and effort to participate in our study.